Hey y'all, it's Alicia of Golden Endurance Artistry. I hope you are doing golden today. So yeah guys, I'm in my craft room, my candle slash craft room, and yeah, I've been missing in action lately. And sorry I don't have my ring light on. I feel like it's back there, but I don't have to. I gotta redo my whole craft room, like seriously. So anyway, I am back today. I figured I would take you guys, so I've been missing in action, okay? Like, I've been on this whole plant thing, like just planting. So anyway, I'll show you guys that probably in another video because I'm still in the process of getting things, you know, pretty and nice in the heart and all that. So anyway, I am attending a baby shower this weekend. It's actually my uncle and his wife's. They're expecting a baby boy next month, which is exciting. So me being the creative self that I am, I figured, let me put my CRICUT to use, okay? I kind of just personalize his onesies and make it look cute. And not only that, he has a big sister, so I'm gonna personalize some shirts for her as well. So I figured I'd pop on really quick and just, you know, show you the process. So what I'm going to do, because there's a whole bunch of CRICUT videos on YouTube, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and print it out, and I'll come back on screen so you can see the different onesies that I got and then the designs that I apply onto the onesies. So I'm going to do that. But anywho, I just been kind of busy. I've just been blah and just trying to figure out some things, I guess, with my business. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, so I have a vendor event coming up next weekend, and I started making some products with that, and I'm super excited. Like, I love my CRICUT machine. I still have to add like the finishing touches, but I'll show you a picture. But guys, catching flights is my cardio, boo. Okay. Travel is golden and Wonderlust is qualin'. All right, so I figure so I'm going to be debuting those travel pouches at the vendor event that I'm attending next weekend. So that should be fun. So I'm excited. Alright guys, so I have the items here. So I got matching. So here's the onesies. So cute. So there's 4 of them. These are by Carter. So I got these from Target. So I already did the design on Canva, because I've been liking using Canva to make the designs and then download it as a PNG and then upload it into CRICUT. So I'm going to be doing and then there's these onesies here as well. So there's a 4-pack. So I'm going to customize these first with like little sayings, and then I'm going to just go in and most likely just do like the monogram, his initial on there. So, and then for his big sister, it's got 4 of these t-shirts from Target. These are about $7. So I'm going to customize put little sayings, and then also do the monogram on her name, monogram of her initial. So alright guys, so I went ahead and cut the designs that I wanted using my CRICUT, and I love it. It's so cute. And I'm just prepping up the little onesie, and this is 0 to 3 months size. And so the direction is to heat the item that you're using for 5 seconds before you apply your actual design. So I did, as you'll see, I did use some heat transfer tape to make sure I keep the style in place so that it doesn't move when I put the Easy Press on top. So definitely I think the CRICUT Easy Press is a good way to start out, but I do see for myself in the future purchasing one of like the commercial type heat press to where I don't have to apply any pressure, that you just go ahead and put the garment in and put it in place. But it's a good place to start with. So then after you apply the design, you turn it over and then you press it down for about 15 seconds. So I'm moving on to the next design. Hello, I'm new here. And as I mentioned, I did design all, I did my designing in Canva, which is such a useful tool to use. So yeah. And so what I failed to do was, you are supposed to use some type of heat resistant underneath your garment to protect the design, so the design wouldn't stick onto the other side. And I didn't realize that until I got further in the process. So I don't know if you'll see it in this clip, but I did use kind of like a folded up canvas tote. I made it really small and I put it under, yeah, there you go. So as you see, I put it underneath the onesie or inside the onesie, just so that the design wouldn't melt or anything like that or transfer onto the other side of the onesie. But anyway, hopefully that made sense. You could just watch the video. And so here comes the tricky part and the most nerve-wracking part for myself in this whole process. You just want to make sure that everything is on the garment. Anything left on that vinyl sheet or that vinyl sheet. And if it happened to peel, just go ahead and put the heat press back on in the area that needs the lettering to stick, but I find that is the most nerve-wracking part of the whole process. So yeah, I let the garment cool down before I removed it, and they're looking lovely. Okay, so here goes the monogram design, and I love it. I love how the colors go with the different patterns with the onesies. So have fun with it, guys. I'm all about just, you don't have to be matchy-matchy, switch up colors, switch up patterns. But I really did enjoy making these, and yeah, so definitely let me know in the description below. Will you be trying these out? Maybe you have someone that's expecting a baby, maybe you're expecting a baby, and these make the perfect gift. Just personalizing. All right, y'all. Oh my goodness. It is 12:11 in the morning and I am finally done with these t-shirts. So, and I mean, how many were there? 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you, and I'll take pictures after. But I'm all set and done, which is good. So yeah. So I'll take pictures. I'm finally done. So I'll do a little, let me put the light on so you can see. So hello, I'm new here. Okay. Cute. Next one is little bro. Okay. And L is for Logan because that is his name. Daddy's little helper. And so all these are pretty much just onesies, and then this is his name again, Logan. So I think it's just really nice gift, you know, just personalizing things and just adds a little something. So it's like a blue pinstripe. So lots of onesies. One of them, so just like a monogram L. So I will provide like care instructions. And then so for the big sister, her nickname's Gigi. So it's a cute little top. That girl already got enough clothes as it is, but and then big sis on duty. So I wanted to pair that with so you have your big sis on duty and then the little bro. Okay, so pair those together. And then these she could wear in the next few years. I just still have the eye, so I just did her little nickname, Gigi, on there. And then her first and middle name, Gianella Ray. So it's just something, so like these shirts range in quite a few sizes, 3T, 4T, 2T. Yeah. So, but yeah, so that is that. So in total I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I did 12 shirts. So I will pack those up to go, wrap them up, and that will be that. And that will be that. Alright. So now I'm just packing them in these cute little gift boxes. These are actually gift boxes that I use for my candle business, for one of my candle travel collections. But they were the perfect size to fit these little onesies in. So I'm just pairing the Big Sis on Duty and Little Bro tops in one box. And I'm just going to go ahead and get everything together and just have fun. I was just pretty much using what I had, and I had a nice gift bag that I put these in. I hope you enjoy this quick little video. I know my lighting is off, but girl, I'm tired. Yes, tired. So hopefully I'll be able to get to cleaning up my craft room. I'm just so exhausted. So anyway, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you have a Cricut machine. Do you have a Cricut machine? Let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you on the next video. Until next time, live life goldenly. Bye.